Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some really cute and simple Valentine's nails. These are all very easy to do. The only tools I really used were a tiny detail brush that you can see here, and if you wanted to use a dotting tool for the hearts you can, but I honestly just used my little detail brush. So here we are. Each of these nails is going to be a different design, and I just know you'll love them. Gosh, it's been a little while since I've talked with you guys on one of my videos. The last couple videos have been just music, so I'm excited to be here with you today. I hope you enjoy these nails. In all of these nails today, I used gel polish, but you could use regular polish as well. And my nails already had some builder gel on there, so they're a little longer for you today. I know some of my other videos, my nails were so short and tiny, and I'm really not supposed to be wearing the gel because I had an allergic reaction, but I've only had minimal issues, so I'd rather have long nails for you guys for these videos. And the contact dermatitis hasn't really come back, but there's a couple of little issues with peeling skin and whatnot, but nothing major, so longer nails it is. I really liked this one. All of the nails I did today for this set will be matte top coated. I don't know why I just chose that. I just like the look of it, but you can certainly use glossy top coat and it would be just as cute. I know I've got most of my nail girls are glossy top coat girls, but I like a good matte nail every now and then. And the angle that I was doing these nail art nails for you today was it's kind of an awkward, I mean, it's really hard to paint these on camera for you because I don't really get to see them straight on, so I'm kind of looking at them sideways. So some of the designs end up a little bit off center, but I will correct that by adding a little bit more color to the right hand side of the middle line of hearts, and bringing the left heart of the other aisle over to them too. So, and then we're going to be adding some texture with acrylic powder here. You don't have to use acrylic powder, but for this particular look, that's what you need. So you cure that, and then you brush off the excess, and it adds a lot of really neat sparkly. I used glitter acrylic, so you can kind of see some sparkle there. You can also use just straight glitter. It doesn't even have to be acrylic, it can just be glitter, which I considered doing, but maybe for another video. How have you guys been? Are you all excited for Valentine's Day? It's a couple of days away. I actually have a boyfriend this year, which is super awesome. He's amazing. Hello, boyfriend. He watches all my videos. He's such a sweetheart. And such a great support. You know, he's very supportive of my channel. So I haven't been filming as often, but he does encourage me to film quite often, actually. So thank him for these last couple videos that I've pumped out, because if I didn't have his encouragement and motivation, I probably wouldn't have put out any for Valentine's Day. I'm more of a anti-Valentine's Day person. I mean, this is probably the first time I've had a boyfriend for Valentine's Day for a really long time. So anyway, I know there's some anti-Valentine people out there too, and I considered doing a set of those for a video. Let me know what you think. I know we're probably running out of time for that, but if anyone wants me to do a set of that, I certainly will. You know, like, oh, you know, love sucks, or, you know, go away, things like that. This last nail here is a really fun variation of a French tip. And I really like this one. I actually use this quite often in my nail art, and I get a lot of clients asking for it too. You don't even need French tip guides or tapes, you know, stencils or anything like that. It's pretty much just a straight line, and you kind of just make it down towards the middle there. For this design, I cured with matte top coat here, and then I just left the white glossy, which you couldn't really tell in the photo, but I kind of like, and you don't even need to seal in this white with any top coat because it is a no wipe top coat, or a no wipe white. So there's that. These were a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to try any of these nail art ideas, or if you have any ideas for what you'd like me to do in the next video, yeah, let me know. I'm curious to see what you guys say. And let me know what you like best about this set of nails. If you think you guys can handle the nail art, drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you. Happy Valentine's Day.